Alright, so you're thinking about jumping into the tech industry. Awesome choice. Let me walk you through what I wish I knew when I started out. And trust me, you don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get moving. First things first, find your passion and choose a path. Websites, apps, maybe coding's your jam. Digging into data, solving puzzles, finding insights. Data analysis could be perfect. Keeping things secure. Cybersecurity's your lane. How things look and feel. UX UI design. Super organized. Project management. Once you've got your direction, it's all about building your skill set. Coursera, Udemy, Codecademy bootcamps. YouTube tutorials. Free docs. Next, show off what you can do. Personal projects. Simple apps. Websites you created for fun. Contribute to open source projects. Take on freelance gigs. This proves you can do the work, not just talk about it. Networking is your secret weapon. LinkedIn connections, local meetups, conferences, and job fairs. Find a mentor. Having someone to guide you makes a huge difference. When it's time to apply, tailor your resume. Highlight your projects. Problem solving, teamwork, communication skills. Be ready for technical tests. Be ready for interviews. Preparation is everything. Pick your path. Dive in. Keep building. The tech world moves fast, but there's always room for new talent, like you. Let's go make some cool stuff.